Hello. We are going to see how the Addmen Integrated Assessment Suite can be used to set up an online test for IIT JEE. Starting from setting up a test to processing and publishing the results, the Addmen Integrated Assessment Suite offers a common platform to monitor all the processes involved in the administration of a test. So here we begin with test setup in the defined test interface. For the sake of example, we shall create a 30-question test having 10 questions in each of the sections: physics, chemistry, mathematics, along with other details. We can set the desired schedule for the test. These test definitions can be used for tests on online, OMR, Android and combined platforms, so accordingly for the computer-based test we will choose the test type as online. We have already seen earlier how to create the question paper for online test input. Now we will import our question paper as per the specified input format in a Word file. So now our question paper is imported, which we can preview to cross-check before launching the test. We also need a correct answer key for the test. This key will be used to compare the student responses and draw results. If the answers are available in the question paper input file, then the answer also will be imported along with the questions. Or else you can copy and paste from an Excel file. The answer key of the student-generated response-based questions is posted differently. These questions are likely to have more than one answers, which are entered separated by the pipe symbol. Similarly, the matrix question also have a different way of entering the answer key. Having entered the answers, you will need to tag the question for different properties. These tags are important for the detailed classification of the questions to generate detailed graphical reports as per the pattern. So you go to the Mapping tab of the Defined Test interface and use many ways of selecting and tagging the questions. Tag for the question type. Question type specification governs whether a question will be treated as a MCQ or a numeric response type or a matrix matching type. So the display system can also correctly display the choices for that question. Apply the scoring scheme. We are showing example on a smaller test. You will tag the question numbers in the actual tests. Tag the subject. This is a 30-question test having 10 questions in each of the sections: physics, chemistry, mathematics. Similarly, if you want, tag the subject, subtype or topic. A test can be made applicable only for a given class. So we can map the branch and the classes that can view this test. After mapping the question properties, we will now set the test properties from the Test Settings interface. These settings are important as they give you complete control over the test. Few of the settings we will change here to understand their use. The importance and use of other settings can be seen in much detail in the training videos of the software. Let us suppose this is a practice test and we want to allow the students to see the results immediately after the test, then we will set instant results to yes. If it is okay to display the student's answer sheet or online responses, then we set display sheet answers to yes. Similarly, to enable the students to see solution or description of the test, we set display solution to yes. It is to know that the Addmen Online Test System not only allows solutions to be uploaded in the form of PDF, but it also allows to upload and display solution videos. Also, we want to allow the students to review the question paper after the test, but at the same time wish to show only the solution to incorrect question, then we can do so by setting display questions for review to incorrect only. We will skip a few less used settings and move to the next group of test display settings. Secondly, while the IBPS and many other examinations facilitate the students by indicating that each question has only one choice and only one can be marked. But in case of the IIT JEE examination, several questions have multiple correct answers and must have the possibility to mark more than one answers. For this reason we have the setting of choice type. If single choice is selected, the system displays radio buttons against MCQ questions, in which only one choice can be selected. While if the value is set to multiple choice, the system will display checkboxes against the choices of the questions in which multiple can be selected. Some tests like the IIT JEE label their choice as A, B, C, D, while some other like IBPS label their choice as 1, 2, 3, 4, so we can select the appropriate display for this test as per the pattern. Next, in order to avoid copying, if we want the system to throw randomly jumbled up question to candidates, obviously we will set question shuffling to yes. The Addmen Online Test System has multiple display themes. Since most examinations in India use the same test interface as the IBPS exam, so we have provided an option to choose the desired display format. If you choose regular, you get this. If you choose IBPS, the same question would be displayed like this. As we know, the Addmen Online Test System offers the possibility to draw questions from an online question bank, so here the setting question source can be chosen between test paper or question bank. If we are uploading a specific question paper for this test, then select test paper, or otherwise if we want to make use of our large online question bank, we will set it accordingly. Most institute who use the Addmen Online Test System integrate it to their website for their own registered students. At the same time, they also want that the prospective students who are not registered in the institute must also be able to make registration and take up demo tests. It is intended that these inquiries must be able to see the list of all the tests, but should be able to attempt only limited demo tests out of them. A regular test can only be attempted by registered and paid students. To make a test approachable to an inquirer, set the test type to demo. If the test is not being conducted in a lab, where connectivity is more stable. If the test is being conducted through your website over the internet, then it is possible that a student gets disconnected due to internet or power failure. To accommodate this, the administrator can increase the attempt limit so that a candidate can log in and start the same test multiple times. Set the value of attempt limit from 0 to 10 accordingly. Again, it is to know that the timer and the answers are saved in every few seconds. So when a student logs in back to his test, he gets the remaining time and all the answers that were saved before disconnecting. Further, it is possible to integrate your payment gateway to the Addmen Integrated Assessment Suite, so that you can sell your tests, videos, and study material. You can sell the test individually or make packages. So accordingly we can set the test price and package price. These tests can be purchased either from the website or from the student's dashboard. The system has provision to intimate the administrator by way of SMS or email as soon as candidate has finished answering the test. It can send SMS or email to admin or candidate or both. So now our test is all set up and ready to be launched. We have few more videos in this series.